What up guys, it's Nicole and today I've done this look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. So if you'd like to see the tutorial on this look, just please keep on watching. So I've done my eyebrows and put primer on. Now I'm just concealing my lids. You know the drill. And we're just going to blend that out. Now we're going to go in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I know I've been using a lot of Morphe lately. Please forgive me. So with a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this colour and put that through my crease. Do the same to the other side. Go in with this shade right here and just try and blend this out. Don't be afraid to go back in with that pencil brush to deepen up that crease yet again. I'm really going to focus on the other side because it's not as pigmented as I'd like it to be. Now it doesn't matter if it gets on the lid, that's fine. We can clean that up. And again, blending that out. I go in with a bit of this colour. Focus that towards the top. But being careful not to cover it up too much. Now I didn't add anything extra onto that brush, I'm just going over that line with whatever was left over. That side took me a little bit longer, but it's done. Now I'm gonna go in with this colour. Oh, not that colour. This colour and pack it all over the lid. Actually, I might try that teal colour and see. If I ruin it, I can fix it. It's fine. Packing in small motions just to get the most colour. I'm gonna go in with this colour and just put it in the centre. And then, I meant the inner corner, not the centre. Just gonna stick that right in there. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my face. So for the rest of my face today, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte stick. I'm loving this. I think I've mentioned this once before, but I'm loving stick foundations compared to liquid foundations. So if you have your favorite stick foundation or know of a good one, whether it's drugstore or high-end, leave a comment down below and let me know. Now concealer time. Now to set this. Thank you. Next. that Hoola Benefit Bronzer. Hoola, 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 hoola. And now the NARS blush for highlight. I don't know why I did that. Going in with a Katie and Desi one because it's right there and it's so nice. So nice. You know, this is terrifying because of how dark it is and how light I am, but it turned out so gorgeous. Ooh. Who would have thought? I'm going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and going back in with that and putting it in my inner corner again just to give it a bit more oomph. Oh yes. Oh. Setting spray. Colourpop in bigger. And that's the final look. So if you enjoyed this look and tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel as it would mean a lot. And I'll see you guys next time.